Can we talk about why there is even a women's day?
Yeah.
Why is there a women's day?
People have not celebrated us enough.
It's like, is it the day that we got voting rights, the right to vote? That's the reason. Or someone's period started.
You should Google.
1917 strike for bread and peace by Russian women.
We all are just figuring it out.
What's the best thing about being a woman? Getting a chance to experience motherhood. That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's probably beautiful when it happens.
Should be.
Should be. Hopefully.
And
I think also the capacity to laugh.
that's so true. Immense capacity to love. We get to get ready and wear different kind of clothes and makeup. I really
There
like
is
this
more.
part.
There's expression. I think more freedom to
Through
express.
clothes and makeup. What's Women's Day wish? I think I would want a good salary raise.
Oh, I want a job where I can travel and also take everybody I love with me in my pocket.
I want someone to love
Yeah.
so that I can travel and take him with me.
Peace in the world.
Peace in mind first, bro.
It's a Melania Trump reference.
Oh.
Because she says piss on the world.
Hi. One thing women secretly enjoy. One thing women secretly enjoy. What do you want to say? We are quite open about what we enjoy. I don't know. I think sometimes I enjoy not listening to anyone.
Yeah.
I think it's just
For the
that
heck of it.
half of the heck of it. There's something in me where I just feel like I want to do what I feel is right. But and there's a thin line where you need to understand like sometimes listening to others does make more sense and it's good for you. So I'm still like trying to learn that. But that's blurry for me.
Secretly enjoy. I want to have like a women's fight club.
Like physical fight.
Yeah. I've seen the movie Fight Club.
I think I'll not
I've been
participate
thinking
in that
about
fight club. Like what if they the reason
Yeah, there'll be a lot of hair ripping and scratching.
yeah, that is why I'm like
Or maybe we can have like MMA style, like with, or boxing, like with rules.
what is one thing people misunderstand about women? Let me be your a lot of things. I think one thing people misunderstand is that we complain a lot. But there are so many things that we don't complain about and we don't say it out loud.
I think for 50% of the population, we don't know anything about women. Like women know each other, and only in the circles that we are in, like, we know each other. But there's no like lingo. There's no like studies. Like recently, I found out about period symptoms. Every day, I find out new period symptoms that I didn't know before.
Okay.
I didn't know that some women have like a lot of.
Oh, now I know what you were answering. Like how we get to like there's less study about women's body, that's true.
Yeah.
And how the hormones work and everything. That's not much of a study. Like even the gym diet and everything that's given, usually it's based on a male's body and hormones and not as per us.
Yeah. Just understand about.
Then we're jealous. I don't think.
I think a normal amount that everybody has.
Like but not like jealous of other women doing better and all of that, jealous of the someone else is looking pretty. Like I don't think like those trivial things matter anymore. Like once you are confident enough, like once you have grown and become mature. What I feel is like when I see my female friends, I feel good for them. That oh wow, she's looking so pretty. Oh wow, her dress is so nice and all of that. Like, and she's doing so well in career, and you feel motivated and not at all jealous. Sometimes out of insecurity that may come, but usually I think people misunderstand it that we are jealous of each other.
Yeah, that's definitely true. It's not a zero-sum game. Also, like how we misunderstand that women are gentle, not gentle. It's quite gruesome to be. Everything is violent.
Yeah.
It's filled with pain and fighting and violence. It's fun though. A lot of highs and lows.
But what is hardest part about being a woman? Waxing schedule.
Yeah.
That is washing hair routine as per your gym and office and catching up friends
Just
on
so much
weekends.
hair. There's just so much hair and managing hair of different types. I think.
I know. I go in my room and I'm like, oh my god, I need to sleep it out, like hair.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I think hardest part is understanding women's psychology again. And sometimes I feel like we could show that we are mean and we don't care sometimes, but deep down, everything that we now I don't want to sound like a hero, but like deep down, when we love and care for someone, we could come across as a wicked person in their life, but at the end, we're just trying to save that relationship or person. I don't know, like I
It's
have
like an onion,
yeah, adding
layers.
flavors, yeah.
adding flavor also. I think half the time we don't know what's happening ourselves in terms of like emotions or hormones. So then you're like, oh, why do I feel like this right now? Why do I feel like killing this person? And then you look at like your flow app or something, and you're like, oh, that's why.
This is so true, and we are not like just saying this, but this thing like having a luteal phase and going through something is a thing, and it's not an excuse. I mean, obviously now we kind of know how to regulate our mood a bit, like we're not going to like throw up
Yeah.
ourselves into others, but yes, okay,
Not condoning actually killing someone, but you know why we want
yeah,
to.
of course.
Why we want? I think it's like a pressure cooker. Through the months, it all just accumulates, and then in 1 week it
Yeah,
explodes.
and it's like okay, yeah, we don't like you, but if you're doing this in our luteal phase, we're gonna say that out loud to you that we don't like you.
Yeah.
It's just that.
It's not
like
it's not false or anything.
yeah, but we can be handled with care. So we don't. Okay, yeah, forget it.
It's acceptance and being around,
Just being around, just being there.
support
right?
system
Yeah.
in any form,
But what does that mean? Like
emotionally.
taking pictures with your friend even when you don't like. That's so you.
Trying something new, like shooting a video.
That's true. Rooting for your friend, even though you are in that budding stage, but you're always like, oh yeah, this is so cool. Even sometimes I doubt myself, is this cool? I'm like, yeah, let's do it. Okay, last question. One thing we're tired of hearing. I think I'm tired of hearing that I'm difficult. I mean, sometimes like you just need to accept that people are different. And we're not that different. It's just that I don't know.
Deviating slightly from the plan is also bad. It's the need for control. Deviating from the plan attracts so much criticism.
Does anyone call you flaky?
Not recently. Rarely, yeah.
Oh,
I think
yeah,
it has
my friends
happened.
used to call me that. But and I try to work a lot on myself there. So.
See, that's the point, though. Like you have friends who can give you that feedback.
Yeah. They put my name as Flaky Jyoti.
Yeah. Why be flaky? In what way?
I would not show up.
Or it'd be like I don't feel like, and then we wouldn't show.
So we have been friends for quite some time. So one thing that you learned about me and I got to know about you.
One thing I learned about you is that you're really resilient. I think
You're gonna say nice things.
you want me to say bad things? Bad things I learned about you. I learned just now that you can be flaky.
I used to. Okay, say anything. Because if you say all nice things, then I'll do this, and you'll be like, oh,
अरे मुझे पसंद आता है बस ऐसे ही.
gentle. I'm like very much like this. Well, one thing. But yeah, I really like the way when you say things out. Like you just say what you feel, and that makes the job easier. तो वो कर लेती है. So, Happy Women's Day.
Happy Women's Day.